As an extension of the lesson for Unit 4, Day 10, Outside Influences on the European Renaissance, you could assign a creative project, giving students the opportunity to further explore the contributions of underrepresented groups and individuals who are often not associated with the European Renaissance and the scientific revolution. In addition to this particular lesson, there are other lessons throughout Unit 4 that highlight these significant groups and their contributions to the scientific revolution and the Renaissance. Days 2, 3, and 4 make thematic connections to the Harlem Renaissance and highlight the contributions of individuals of African ancestry. Days 10, 11, and 16 focus on the non-West, especially Islam and the contributions made to the roots of both the scientific revolution and the Renaissance. In days 9 and 15, women and their roles in these major turning points are discussed. I want to draw special attention to the links that are provided at the beginning in the Note to Teachers Additional Resources slide in the Day 10 lesson. And there are links to websites that may be useful to students to explore these topics for a creative project. Again, turning back to the Padlet idea, this would be a great opportunity to explore an interactive timeline or audio tour for students. An audio tour of the specific contributions of a group or individual to the Renaissance or the scientific revolution would be a great extension project that could use the timeline feature. Additionally, as many students have not shared their voice and teachers have not heard from them in the virtual classroom, this project could utilize the audio recording feature and allow students to share a presentation about a particular group and their contributions, presenting an artifact or evidence of their significance to the Renaissance and/or the scientific revolution. This project would also serve the purpose of applying students' knowledge to create history that could be shared with others to inform about lesser-known contributions in this time period. There are many ways to adapt a project like this, and the important aspects to keep in mind are for students to see more of themselves represented in history, and for students to have a choice and a voice in who and what they explore. This concludes the video series for Unit 4, Day 10.